Update 2 on Tropical Storm Sally. Sally is located at 27.70 north, negative 85.50 west as of 2 p.m. EDT this 13 September 2020. Sally has winds of 60 miles per hour and a pressure of 998 millibars. The storm is moving west-northwest with a TCDR rating 7. Intermediate damage expected. Distance in miles right now, 187 miles away from Tampa, 257 from Mobile, Alabama, 285 from Gulfport, Mississippi, 318 from New Orleans, and 338 from Madisonville, Louisiana. There are a plethora of watches and warnings currently in effect, so unfortunately I cannot read them all to you due to time constraints. Although, you can pause the video and read them if you need to. Remember, if the text is yellow, it's a watch, and if it's red, it's a warning. In 24 hours, the storm will be a Category 1 hurricane south of Mobile, Alabama. In 48 hours, the storm will be inland in Louisiana near New Orleans. And then in 72 hours, the storm will be weakening inland in the United States of America. That's all I have for Tropical Storm Sally. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye!